Good evening, class. Go ahead and get out your notes on adding and subtracting rational numbers in real life, and we're going to get started. So, rational numbers in real life, we see rational numbers frequently in real life. Think through the situation, then follow the rules for adding or subtracting rational numbers. Draw a number line or create a model to help. So that's what we're going to be doing here. So the very first thing we're going to do is brainstorm some words or phrases that indicate a positive or a negative number. I'm going to write all my positive words in black and all my negative words in red. Okay. And then we're going to list them in the table. I'm going to do a couple of them, and I'm going to see if we can add to this when you get to class tomorrow. So positive terms would be things like credit, deposit, revenue, increase, and income or salary. Now there's a bunch more you could come up with. I'd like to see everyone come up with at least 2 to 3 more. So we're going to go opposites here. So the opposite of credit is a debit. Opposite of a deposit is a withdrawal. Opposite of revenue is the word deficit. Opposite of increase is decrease. And opposite of income or salary, let's go with loan. Okay, you're not getting money, you're borrowing money. So those are just some basic ideas. I would like to see 2 to 3 more so we can have a discussion in class tomorrow. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we are going to work out a problem. Real life. During a drought, the local lake was 2 1/4 feet below its normal level. 2 weeks later, the water level had dropped an additional 1 3/8 feet. How far below the normal water level was the water after 2 weeks? Well, what do I know? Well, I know that it was 2 1/4 feet below normal levels. So this is a drop or decrease. And then I also know that it dropped an additional 1 3/8 feet. That is really bad English. Sorry, I need to know. So what do I need to know? Need to know is you're going to go to that question and you're going to go right back after it said, how far below was the normal level after 2 weeks? I need to know how much did the water level change? In 2 weeks. So we're going to do our plan. I have. This is below, drop. That is a negative number. Those words should be going ding, 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 negative. So I'm going to write this in red to make sure that we know that this is negative. I have negative 2 1/4 feet, plus I have an additional drop, so another negative number of 1 3/8 feet. So I am adding together 2 negative numbers. When I add together 2 negative numbers, I get the same thing. I'm going to have a negative answer because they are the same sign. So we're going to keep the sign. So I know for sure my answer is negative something. Okay, so I'm going to put my solution over here, a negative sign. Now, I do not have like denominators, and we have been working on this. I have a 4 and an 8. You can go ahead and use your multiplication chart, whatever you need to do to find those. I hope you all look at this 4 and go, hey, 4 goes into 8, so I need to multiply this by 2 over 2. This gives me negative 2 and 2/8 plus -1 and 3/8. Now I'm going to add my fractions. 2 plus 3 is 5. We keep our denominators the same. I didn't go over 8, so I don't have to mess around. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. So my solution is -3 and 5/8 feet. Okay, Jonathan borrowed $800 from his grandparents to start a lawn mowing business in his neighborhood. After mowing lawns for a month and paying his expenses, he was able to pay them $188.56. How much does Jonathan still owe his grandparents? Well, what do I know? I know that he borrowed. Borrowed is a negative word. He borrowed $800. So he borrowed $800, and I know that's a negative. And he started his lawn mowing business. He made $188.56. So he's paying them back. Paying them back means I am going to subtract from his original. So he paid back $188.56. I need to know how much, wow, sloppy handwriting, more money does he owe? Sorry about that, guys. And these days I'll let you use this pad and show you exactly how hard it is to write on it. Okay, so he borrowed $800 from his grandparents. This was the original debt, $800. He paid back $188.56. So he's paying them back, so I'm going to subtract that from his total. I need to do a little bit math magic because I need to borrow. So I'm going to put a 7 here, a 9, a 9, a 9, and a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. Jonathan still owes $611.44 to his grandparents. Okay. On Monday, Melody checks her bank balance and it's in her account, $437.22. She knows she's going to get paid on Friday and earn, positive number, $236.12. When she pays her bills, oh, we hate that. Paying bills, sadness. It means money's going out. Amount to $586.96. What will her bank balance be after she gets her paycheck? So I know I'm going to do my colors. $437.23, that's her balance. She gets $236.12, that's her paycheck. And then she has to pay bills. Sadness, $582.96 bills. I need to know how much money is left. Sadness. Okay, you're going to do this. You're going to do your plan, your work. Give me a solution. Make sure you label. We have no naked numbers running around the classroom. I need 2 to 3 sentences, beautifully written. Today I learned. I understand that because of this. Something like that. Okay? You guys have a fabulous night. I will see you in class tomorrow. Bye.